Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make tallow oil or use animal fat to make oil to produce your soap. Though animal fat is not only used for soap, but the purpose of this video is to make soap. So I'm going to show you how to make the tallow oil. I will teach you 2 ways of how you can do the tallow oil. First of all, you have to wash your fat very well and make sure you get rid of blood stains on it. And if there's fresh meat, take it from it before you try to prepare it. So you have to wash it at least twice to make it more clean. So after cleaning it well, you can, at this stage, you can either mince it. If you have a mincing machine, you can use mincing machine to mince it, or you can use your chopper to chop it, or you can just cut it into pieces and then use it, or you can even use it in big sizes like this. So I will not cut it, I will not do anything, I will use it as it is after washing it. You add it to your saucepan and pour in water. The water shouldn't be too much, because the more the water, the longer it will stay on fire. So the water should be just small. Then you cover it and you put it on fire. You stir once in a while. To check. And also, when the water gets finished from it, then you sieve it and you have your oil. You set it aside. It's as simple as that. After putting it on fire for like 40 minutes, this is the final result. I sieved the oil from it. The remaining one, you can't use it for anything. Just give it to your dog or any animal around to eat it. The second method is that you don't put water. You don't add water to it when you put it in your saucepan. You only put it straight on fire. This one, you lower the fire so that it becomes less, and so that your oil will not get burnt. So I've put it on fire. I will be stirring once in a while to check. So after being on fire for like 15 to 20 minutes, this is the result. The oil has started coming, and I will leave it further until it gets dry. The beef or the fat gets dry. Then you know that it's okay to off the fire. So after putting it on fire for like 25 to 30 minutes, this is the result. So at this stage, I will just sieve it and then get the oil from it and throw the residue away. So these are the 2 methods that I said I'm going to show you. One, you add water, one, you don't add water. It will all come out the same way. So after sieving it, you just have to cover it, and then the next day, because at room temperature, it tends to solid or hard oil. So after cooling down, it will just turn to hard oil or solid oil, and that's it. So what are the benefits of using tallow oil for your soap? One, it helps soap to harden more. It helps soap to harden more than not adding it. And it's also used for face moisturizer. You can also use tallow oil, to make washing and bathing soap, like I've said already. It helps relieve painful mosquito bites. It can also be used to condition the skin or the hair. They also use it as for your lip balms, and then for makeup kits. Tallow oil is used for it. So it has a lot of uses. These are just by the few. So after sieving it, you have to sieve it well so that to get rid of any particles from it. You have to sieve it immediately you bring it from fire, to prevent it from becoming solid, because it gets solid fast. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, like, and then leave a comment in the comment section. And also share to others to also watch the videos. Your likes, your comments, and then your subscriptions help us to produce more. It encourages us to produce more for you. Since I added water to the first method, I have to put it on fire to make sure there's no amount of water remaining in the oil. So the next day I put it on fire on a very low heat. Don't give it too much heat to burn it. So after putting it on fire for like 5 minutes, it got melted, and then you sieve it again, your final sieving, to get rid of any residue from it. If you need training for soaps, or if you need training on any detergents, hair and skin care, contact the number on the screen. You can either call or WhatsApp. I will get in touch with you, then we negotiate. If you really want to make business out of soap making, then you need someone to mentor you. Contact me. I will be of help to you. And if you want to learn how to maximize profits out of soap making too, contact me. I will show you the way. So after putting it on fire for like 5 minutes, as I said earlier, to get rid of any water that may be remaining in the oil, I then sieved it, in a bottle. Normally, you have to sieve it in a glass bottle. It's advisable that way. You can just put it on your shelf or put it in your fridge. Anytime you need it, you can just go and take some. Whether it's on your shelf or in your fridge, it will still solidify. It's a very solid oil. In my next video, I will show you how to make soap with tallow oil. And also, tallow oil is a little cheaper than the other oils. So if you add it to your soap, it helps you to maximize profit. Whether you make your soap with fillers or without fillers, and you add tallow oil, the soap will still get solid. So someone will ask, can you consume it? Yes, you can consume it. Some people cook with it. A lot of people cook with it. But I don't prepare my food with tallow oil because it's too solid for my liking, and I don't see the health benefits of eating such a fat. Thank you for subscribing and liking the video, and also watch out for my next video, which the link will be somewhere either on top or at the corner of the video.